Most Nigerians have expressed unhappiness with the level of poverty, hunger in the society, and insist there is need to start feeding children of the less privileged with balanced diet to address some health challenges in the country.
When you look at the children are also starving. So today is only for the children, the infants. There's a lot of, children that are malnourished. I want to give them just not only baby formulas, I also want to give them what is called Ensure. And Ensure is a supplementary, food. So if it's a child that the parents cannot afford 2 square meals or 3 square meals, that Ensure will serve as a meal.
Parents at the medical outreach appreciate the gesture and call for sustenance of the effort to reduce the health burdens on the citizens.
Because actually I have been to so many places and all was not going well. And when I heard of this, I decided to bring the little baby to see how God will do his work for me. And I thank God for the attention they gave us so far.
I was not really expecting anything much. Since they said food and medication for the infants, I was just expecting something little, not really much as this.
God will bless her, more blessing. I'm very, very happy for what she did.
You don't get some of these things for us before?
No.
He expressed optimism that humanitarian services to the society will go a long way in addressing many health challenges facing the country. Dimas Nanzang AIT News, Abuja.